Hi, it's me Jabril. Welcome again to this section of Swift. In this section, I will show you two types of the data that Swift has. There are sorry, I said double, doubles and booleans. Well, first and foremost, we're gonna go with the doubles. What is a double? Well, double is a short for double precision floating number, and because Swift wanna know how to hold fraction value. Okay, in this way Swift knows how to use doubles to hold the fraction number. Okay, such as we're gonna go with let's say, well, a pi number. Okay, if we go with a pi number, we know that it's a fraction, and Swift gonna go with it directly. Say pi equals dot 3141. This is a double, and it's a double. Okay, but in case the double for the booleans, it's easy to understand booleans because boolean is just a simple, easy to understand. Like booleans, if you based on the term of a boolean means true and false. If you've been in school, maybe you already heard your teachers talking about booleans. Well, before we jump into the booleans, I want to show you another example of doubles. Like I say, well, here's I mistaken something. I want to say amount of people, not amount of people, but I wrote amount of people. I was saying amount of people. Well, let's see. We estimated that we're trying to print out peoples that is basically present in the city. Like, I mean, the population of the city, or amount, some people. I was saying amount, not amount of people. Amount of people. I say amount of people. Well, or for the next, I will show you how you can write a code of booleans. Booleans code is easy. Just do the same thing. You have to declare a variables and give that variables. I'm going to say boolean. I was commenting and to show you boolean. And here says boolean holds true and false value. Well, that first boolean holds true and false value phrase right there, I was typing too faster and I didn't saw that mistake. It was a mistake. And I say var awesome equal to true, and yeah. Now if I run this code in the preview, you can see true because I assigned my value that I declared, the property value that I been declared to a true, and it's gonna say true. If you say also false, you're gonna say false, and bad boy equals to false, and that will say false. And now you know how you can write a code of double and booleans. Hope you liked the video. Thank you for watching. Make sure you subscribe. Thank you if you want to see more of it. Thank you.